Please subscribe and click the notification bell.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, this is a test.
See how well the Mavic Mini does with the GoPro Session 4 strapped to its back.
So it was a nice day. I thought I'd try this. Don't ask me why.
That's an interesting warning. I'm going to try switching to payload mode. See if that changes anything.
I probably should have paid attention to that warning.
Oh, it automatically switched to payload mode.
Huh. There was little to no wind at this point, and it was doing pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed with how stable the GoPro footage turned out. For having no gimbal and just being strapped on with a piece of Velcro, this thing did pretty steady shots. But then the wind picked up, and everything was about to change real quick.
The wind picked up again.
Right about here is where I started to lose altitude. It was starting to drop fast, and I figured I better get back to the road. I really didn't feel like hiking through that snow.
Made it! Made it!
Stand it anymore. I've got to get out of here. I've got to get out of here.
Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Stewardess, please let me handle this.
I've got to get
Calm down. Now get back to your seat. I'll take care of this. Calm down. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Doctor, you're wanted on the phone.
At this point, I figured I was about to crash the Mavic Mini really hard and really fast. I was giving it full throttle the whole time. But at this point, I think the wind was too powerful, and I think the battery is getting way too weak. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, faked you out. Dang it! My first crash. I've come close a couple times, but I never quite crashed until right then.
Well, it was doing good. Just had a severe bout of bouncing off the ground though. Got the throttle full on.
I did it again! Man, I was almost back to the car.
Well, the answer is for an extended period of flight, it's too much weight for this little guy.
So I walked it back to the truck, and this is the best it could do. It wasn't even windy at this point. I just think when the battery gets to a certain level, you're done. So, did pretty good. I was pretty impressed.
Full stick up. It ain't going.
So, while I was on lockdown, this was something fun to try. The Mavic Mini wasn't hurt at all. Next day I flew over 18,000 feet. As always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.